Hello! In this video we are going to show you how to install a whole house water filtration system by using simple tools such as the pipe cutter like that, a pipe wrench and some shark bite pipe fittings. We will build a bypass loop as shown here. First, locate the incoming water line, shut off the water to the house. Find a location where you want to install this. It could be in the laundry room or it could be next to the incoming line as we have here. Then cut the incoming line in two spots, here and here. Install a ball valve in between, another ball valve between the particle filter and the water line, the flex house to the whole house unit, another flex house back to the loop, a ball valve, and then connect it back to the incoming water line. We will show you in simple steps how to accomplish this. It's easy. Find the incoming water line, shut off the water, follow the line to a suitable place where you can mount the particle filter. Then cut the pipe in two spots, here and here, and install the valve. Cutting pipe is easy to do with a pipe cutter. Place it on the pipe, tighten the screw lightly, turn it around. Each round you tighten slightly more, and the pipe is cut. This shows how we have cut a piece away from the incoming water line, and now we're going to start installing the loop. We made a cutoff of 16 inches. Now we have cut the pipe sections for the insert. It's 1 inch longer than you need, so it fits into the pipe shark bite. The total length from the end to the other end is still 18. So now we just reconnect these. And the section is done. If we made a mistake, we can use this tool that comes with the shark bites to remove the fitting like that and make the pipe longer or shorter. Now we install the ball valve into the opening that we cut in the incoming pipe like this. And we are done. Now we need to connect the incoming water to the particle filter from here to here. For this we need a shark bite fitting with threaded side. Please make sure that you use Teflon tape to make it watertight. And this one goes in here pretty much hand tight, not too tight because otherwise you might crack the housing like that. And then a couple of turns with the wrench. Here's a similar piece made like we showed earlier to connect the particle filter with the water line. It's important that the inlet and the outlet or the water particle filter is correct. This would be the outlet, and here we would insert a angled shark bite with the Teflon tape and make it just hand tight like that. Here we add the third ball valve, like that. And now we add a piece of copper piping to extend it to the water filter. Like that. And then we add an elbow to the end of the pipe here with a short piece of tubing inserted. The last step of this is to connect the whole house water filter to the loop using flex hosing, like that. To connect the flexible hoses to the rest of the loop, we need to add two fittings to the water tank or the filter tank. Please make sure you locate the inlet and the outlet side of this tank and connect them accordingly. So we add these. Now we will add a few of these cut-off pipe pieces to the shark bites so that we can connect the flexible hosing. For this we use shark bite fitted flex hose. Remember to connect the outlet of the particle filter to the inlet of the water filter. And then we connect the water filter to the loop, like that. This is it. The installation is now complete. To operate the system, make sure all the valves are in a closed position to start with. You can then open the water inlet to the house, open the return line on the loop, and slowly open the inlet while you're pushing the air release button on the filter, like that, to get some possible air out of the system. And you're done. Now you need to let the system flush itself out by opening a faucet somewhere and let it run for maybe 5 minutes until the water turns clear.